I'm Ross Easterby, I'm Wesleyan's Data Governance Manager. Wesleyan is a mutual organisation that offers specialist financial advice to doctors, dentists, teachers and lawyers, some of society's most trusted professions. We've been an organisation based in Birmingham since 1841. I've been the Data Governance Manager now for about 4 years. Now in 2018, we believed we were compliant with GDPR as we took our core systems and applied rules against them to make sure that customer data was being managed in adherence with what GDPR was asking. However, we did a bit of a deeper dive and a deeper think into where we were storing our customer data, and a lot of that was in an unstructured format. It was residing on network drives or in emails, and we believed that under GDPR we had an obligation to make sure that that data was taken as seriously as the data that's in our operational systems. We actually thought that we needed a strategic solution that would help us identify where that data was. Effectively, what we've done is we've written a rule set. So what is a piece of personally identifiable information? Some of them are standard and used by everybody. So a national insurance number is a good example. Another example is a Wesleyan specific policy number. So we needed to program the tool so it knew what to look for. Aiimi supported us with this. And then after a period of time, we had a really valid rule set, which we then deployed across our network drive so we could actually identify where that information existed in a particular document. One of the best things that we found about the InsightMaker tool itself is it is easy to use. We've gone for a deployment model where our actual business people are using the tool at their desks. And the feedback that we've had is that it's really intuitive. The overhead in terms of training has been really minimal, and people are actually enjoying using the tool and are actually finding other uses for it other than the one we originally intended. Our initial results showed that the problem that we anticipated was bigger than we originally thought, but with the rule set that's been programmed, we're confident that we can scan our network drives, find the documents, and then take appropriate action against them. I think more than just that initial use case of find the documents and delete them, what I found is by talking about unstructured data with managers across the firm, the importance of data and why good quality management of data can support our strategic goals has really come through, and people seem a lot more engaged in the data space than they were previously. When we deployed InsightMaker to a particular department, we typically saw a reduction in the number of files being stored between 10 and 40%, and then there's an equivalent reduction in the amount of storage space that's being used by that particular network drive for that department. So I have noticed in our organisation and across financial services there's been an increased focus on data that I think is being driven by customer expectations through the value that good data quality can provide. And finally, there's always a regulatory concern. We need to take care over the data that we hold for our customers and make sure we manage it in a respectful and good way. InsightMaker delivers on our use case. We wanted to find where our personally identifiable information was stored on network drives, and it succeeded in that goal. But we are confident we have a regulatory compliant solution, but I'm really pleased that we got some of the benefits from this programme of work as well.